Welcome to episode 2 of the Options Trading Challenge. We are going from $1,500 all the way up to $130,000, and the goal is to do it in 2021. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek. Welcome to this channel where I teach people on how to make money in real estate, general real estate investment principles, and also just how to make money all different types of ways. And here's what's really interesting. YouTube analytics is telling me that right now 68.1% of everyone who's watched my videos in the last 28 days is not subscribed. So do me a favor, please subscribe below. So let's get right into it. These last 2 weeks were not as exciting as the first 2 weeks. In a way, in the bottom line, which I'll get into it, we did end up green, which is excellent. But this is a roller coaster ride. I'll tell you all about it soon. So really, let's just get right into what you want to know about, and that's how much money did I make in these last 2 weeks of doing options trading. So looking at this right here, basically we had week 1 and 2, and this is actually the beginning balance that we started with. And we went up to here, 1852, and this is what happened on the first episode. If you missed it, feel free to watch it. Now, episode 2 right now goes into this. We had a total of 6.13% gainer. And if you do the math, that's actually an excellent return. But taking a look at it, I'm pretty disappointed. However, what I'm not disappointed with is that in the first month, we have a 36% gain. That is unbelievable. So I challenge you in the comments, write what can you invest into that will gain more than 36% in the first 4 weeks. I don't know of any other investment instrument. Okay, so I know it's only $113.53, which quite frankly is nothing special. But if this continues and compounds, it's going to be special. So I think that it's really important to know that you need to look at the long run and not the short run. So this is the short run, 2 weeks. Let's keep going. By the way, I would really appreciate if you could just comment below. Whatever it is, whether you are doing options trading, please let me know. Or maybe you're doing a stock trading, please let me know. I just would like some comments down below. It really helps engage everyone and get me replying to you and get me to know you. So if you can, just drop a comment right now, real quick. So real quick recap, if you do not know what I'm doing exactly in this challenge, here it is. I'm going to tradetips.io. This is an options trader who basically releases signals for me to buy. So, and also when to sell. What's great about this one is that it's a text-based system. And I'm not even sure exactly how much it costs, but because it's, under $100 a month, it's really not much. So at the end of this whole challenge, I'm going to deduct all of that and see what my true number is invested and return on this. So this is great. I really like how it works. It's very simple and easy to use. I don't know of any other systems that are better than his because he's got an 80% success ratio. And quite frankly, I have committed to 12 months of doing this. So we will see if we get to the goal. Okay, now another thing is that I am using TD Ameritrade for my trading. And quite frankly, I'm actually using like 95% of it on my app, but I'm going to show you the desktop version, which quite frankly, I don't like that much. So here's my account overview. And obviously this is, being recorded right this second. So here is the amount. And I really kind of just, these are the positions, but I want to go into the past trades and really just show you really what happened. So here we are going into the transaction history, and scrolling down, you can see what I bought and what I sold for how much. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't show you how much it is right now. So if I sold something a little early, I'd like to know just out of curiosity. I like to learn from all this. If I sold too late, then I want to know as well. So this desktop app, surprisingly, is just weak. So these are my latest trades, and goes on from there. Quite frankly, nothing happened today. And markets were closed yesterday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So Friday, the 15th, was the last event. So I didn't trade anything because I had all my money frozen up in it, and we only had like 1 or 2 calls, signals given for calls. So I just didn't have any funds available for purchasing. Okay, so now let's go into my TD Ameritrade account right here, and let's look at what exactly it is that I like about it. So as you go in here, you can see the same exact same things, but really you see that first column, the day gain, it just shows me what's going on with today. I like that. But I actually use this section a little bit more, where it says the market value, and then the gain, and then the gain percentage. It shows me from the moment that I got into it where I'm at. And right now, 3 out of 5 are red. I'm not happy about that. Also, what I do is I look at the percentage loss, because these were all calls that are all signals that were given to me. So if something has gone down significantly, I might add into that position depending on what's going on with it. And sometimes the tradetips.io also lets us know to add more. And I had a great success on my other account doing just that. So, and the other part is in the order status, I can go into all my filled orders, and I want to go from the past, let's just say 7 days. All right, and here we are. See, it's showing me that I bought this one here, this first one, and show the mark where it says mark 2.15. That's how much it is right now. So see, I could have waited just a little bit on NLS and I would have gotten it for a little lower price. And then look at this closed, the second one. I closed 4 contracts of PFE at 63 cents, but right now it's 51 cents. So I got out at a good time, a better time. So basically, you can see everything that I saw on the other screen here. Overall, I'm really happy about the progress, but I was expecting better results so far. One last thing I want to talk about is the emotional roller coaster that this created. Now, if you know me in real life, you will know I am not very emotional. I am just pretty much straight-laced, logical, analytical person. However, what this has done is there are days where I am up $700 and then I'm down $1,300 and then I'm back up $600. And this week it just happened to have kind of evened out, where I only gained $113, 6%. But it's pretty, upsetting sometimes. So if you are an emotional person, you may want to think twice about doing options trading, because you're probably going to act on that emotion. Now, I am just not that emotional, even though I get a little upset and am, not feeling too great when I see it down 1,300. However, I'm not going to make a move on it until I get the signal, because that's the whole point of this program, is to test it out and really see that it works or it doesn't work. So I really hope it does work. I want the success, and I really want them to upkeep their reputation, but they are showing an 80% success rate. Even though I'm down right now, if I was to sell now, my success rate would be much lower than theirs. So I'm just holding on, and I'm gonna wait and be patient like they are recommending. So now, please, in the comments, let me know, do you do options trading? And if you do, tell me about your success. I really want to hear about it. I really appreciate that. And thanks for sticking around this long. If you are still here, please click right here. Watch some of these videos. They're all about investing in real estate, which is really what I do for a full-time job. I sell real estate. I also invest in real estate. I have a portfolio of rentals. Some are annual, some are Airbnb. So please watch some of these videos. They are really good information to get started in investing in real estate.